Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2026 Go Reading Workshop Series. Now we're going to be doing a whole bunch of new problems involving reading for foundations of reading and reading special exams for teachers that are taking the reading exams in all the different states. Whether you're in Massachusetts or Ohio or Connecticut or North Carolina, wherever it is, or Texas or California, whatever state you're in, we're going to be covering those core ideas in phonological and phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, reading comprehension, these core ideas to help you pass your exams. Use these videos to get better at these exams, to get better at the tests and pass them. Now let's just jump right in. Let's start, let's go, and let's have fun. Okay team, our first set of videos is going to be involving phonological awareness. So this is that skill involving hearing sounds and words. All these activities that we do in all the problems are all oral language or auditory activities. So make sure you think about that. These are all sound activities. And each problem that we'll do will involve something to do with sound, hearing those sounds in spoken language. Let's take a look at our first set of problems. Let's go. You can go to YouTube and you can watch videos on Say It and Move It. Just type into YouTube, Say It and Movement. You'll find a whole bunch of activities involving it. It's a good strategy to have if you're thinking about something for phoneme segmentation. And notice in this activity here, there is no words necessary. The prompt is given orally or there are pictures. And the student in this one right here doesn't have to write it out. It's just pure phoneme segmentation and blending. If we want to make it a phonics activity, we can. We just add spelling. And then it would become a variation of this. We'd call that Say It, Move It, Spell It. This one here has Say It, Move It, Spell It, Write It. I think that's a little excessive. You could probably just get away with Say It, Move It, Spell It, right? You say the word, you segment the sounds, right? And then you spell it out. Shh, yeah. And again, that last piece of the spelling, it's linking, matching, segmenting and identifying the individual phonemes with the phonemes matching up with the correct spelling patterns or graphemes. So this becomes a really good, if we add the spelling piece to it, it becomes a really good phonics activity. If you notice a student is having difficulty in phonics, this one right here can be used. Okay, so Say It, Move It, Spell It, really helpful for phoneme segmentation and linking those sounds to their letter patterns and becoming a phonics activity. All right. Okay, team, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I'll see you at the workshops, okay? The live workshops are a lot of fun. We get to do things in real time. They can be extremely helpful, and you also are able to ask questions and participate and be part of the team. So they're really helpful to get that live learning opportunity. So check it out. You can go to GOHacademy.com to learn more about that. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, team.